In this 2025 comparison, we'll see which AI coding tool is the best. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's start with SourceRep Cody. It's designed for enterprise teams giving context-aware code answers across massive code bases. GitHub Copilot is the most widely adopted AI pair programmer, offering real-time suggestions and integration inside GitHub and VS Code. Let's go on to features. Cody is strong for large code searches, Copilot excels at inline suggestions, and Cursor focuses on full AI-driven workflows. When it comes to learning curve, Copilot is the easiest to adapt, Cursor feels familiar but adds first AI feature, and Cody needs setup to enterprise environments. When it comes to customization, Cursor supports extensions, Copilot integrates directly into GitHub, and Cody adapts enterprise repositories. For its audience, Copilot fits solo devs and teams, Cursor is great for AI-first coding, and Cody is ideal for enterprise managing huge code bases. For its value, Copilot is affordable with subscription. Cursor offers a free Tier Plus upgrade, and Cody is enterprise priced. The verdict? Choose Copilot for wide support, Cursor for an AI-centered coding experience, and Cody if your team needs deep code bases context. Now, you know which AI coding tool fits your workflow in 2025. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.